Everybody, welcome to Visual Communication Media. My name is Adam Rosetsky. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Welcome to the end of week 5. We only got a few days left, actually, so we're going to be ramping up pretty quickly to give you a heads up. So just want to make sure that you know everything what's going on. If you have any questions or anything, I'd be happy to help you out. Please let me know if you need any time or anything else to help you with anything, especially with this coming up. Also, you can turn in any missing work or anything at the end of the week. Please make sure it's turned in by Tuesday. I will not accept anything after Tuesday nights. Please contact me if you need any help or anything. Other than that, that's all I got. Please do not wait till the very last minute. I will not grade anything if you message me on Tuesday. So you please need to make sure that it is. Now, keep in mind, if it's like a week or like a week's worth of work is fine. Just don't message me with like the whole class period. And that might be a little bit difficult to do. Other than that, we'll work well. I'll try and help you out as best as I can and give you what the best grade is. I might also have a surprise for you tomorrow, just to give you a heads up. I always give a gift, one free grade. I haven't decided yet, but I think I know which one, which will help you out. So I'll tell you about it tomorrow. It'll be a good surprise for lecture. Also, we do have lecture tomorrow. The link is posted online, so let me know if you have any questions finding it or anything. It will be at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Central, so that will be the time frame. That way you have lecture. If you can't make it, I understand. I know it's on a Sunday and everything and you're busy and all that stuff. But if I just wanted you all to have the lecture for at least 2 or 3 days. I don't think it's fair we meet on Monday and then you can't do anything after that. So it's kind of messed up. Other than that, let's get into it. So we're going to talk about visual techniques. This is going to help you out on the last part of your assignment for your written assignment this week. And that involves ethos, logos, and pathos. Now, ethos is defined as one's credibility. Establishing credibility allows your audience to trust the message being represented. Credibility can be established through reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth, and using a source of credibility can help persuade your audiences. Again, got milk. Milk makes you stronger, right? And obviously putting Superman front. He's a fictional character, but he's a strong guy, and if he drinks milk, that means he gets stronger from milk, even though he gets his strength from the sun. It doesn't matter. The point is, strong guy drinks milk to get stronger. It makes sense there, even if it's fictional or not. It makes sense to put that character there, right? Now, once you've established ethos, you can move on to the next phase, which is logos, and that's adding logic into it. Once you have gained that trust in some moment by bringing someone on board or showing some type of character that's pushing the product or anything or some type of service, the argument has to be put in and must also make sense. Because just because you put somebody on there that's trustworthy doesn't mean that they're going to pitch it well. If you add data, if you add statistics, if you add numbers to this to pretty much improve your chances, it really helps out with a lot of ways, and that's logos. Logos uses logic. Any argument centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from the information presented. And conclusions are based on facts, numbers, data, statistics, graphs, charts, A/B comparisons, results of data. That all helps out with a lot of different ways. And if you show visuals and numbers that prove your theory with logos, it only adds more to the credibility. And the last thing that helps out, that kind of helps with engagement, is pathos. Pathos is the final appeal, and this is focused on emotion. Emotion is persuasive, and it appeals that captures our attention and engages the audience. Pathos often plays to our senses, memories, experiences, anything that we have some type of sentimental value to it that's tied to our own experiences, and we see it in a visual, and it triggers those moments. It is very powerful, and if used properly, can motivate people, especially in some strong visuals and everything, by triggering those emotions and those cultures and perceptions. But other than that, that's all I got. So I want to give you guys some heads up on what to look for your visual techniques section for your written assignment this week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. We have lecture tomorrow at 9 a.m. East Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. Links are posted. I'll give you a heads up on anything that you need, and that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. Please let me know if you need anything else. I'd be happy to help you, and hope to see you for lecture tomorrow. All right, take it easy, everybody. Bye-bye.